Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about Pinterest ads overview, understanding this platform, and then understand where does these ads appear. So let's have a look at this. So Pinterest ads is going to be another ads platform through Pinterest, which basically helps businesses to promote their products and services on Pinterest platform. So these are going to be some sponsored pins which businesses can create, and they show up along with the organic pins which we get to see on Pinterest platform. Now they blend really well seamlessly with the organic content and is able to reach out to the target audience. With this kind of advertising, you can drive brand awareness, website traffic, boost your conversions. You can also promote your products to users actively seeking inspiration. More than 83% of weekly Pinterest users have done purchases based on the brand's pins specifically. Why we are using Pinterest is because of the users are mostly on Pinterest are in the discovery mode and making them more receptive to ads compared to other platforms. Now, ads feel less intrusive in such cases because they get immersed in the whole interface specifically, and they align with the platform's visual, inspirational nature. Now, if you look at where all we can find these Pinterest ads, so you will find them on the home feeds where the ads blend with the user's personalized feeds. Search results pages, ads appear alongside organic pins where users search for certain keywords like living room, furniture. You will also find them on category feeds, which is basically ads show up in specific categories like home furnishing, home decor, fashion, okay? Related pins, which is displayed in the more like this section, or after a user engages with a specific pin, where you can find related pins as well. Also, there is shopping ads, which appears in the shop tab, product detail pages, or shop the look features. You also have collection ads here, which can appear here, plus Premier Spotlight video ads are also available on the mobile feeds, on mobile devices specifically. You will find them offering a great immersive experiences. So this is how Pinterest ads are going to be. In this particular section of Pinterest, we are going to cover, understand the platform, and see practically how you can run ads through this platform. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.